This is the Terahertz healthy water device. In the box there are a few things that comes with it. The first thing is the super faucet water purifier. This water purifier can be placed on the sink faucet and can be used to resonance water. Inside the box also comes with the Terahertz device and the jug. And the Terahertz device is usually kept inside a pouch, so it will be more safe. And in the box also comes with the charger and the adapter. To use the device, you can either use a power bank or adapter. First, you have to connect the cable to the power bank and connect the magnetic area to the device. As you can see here, when I place the magnet, the light starts blinking. The device should be placed on a clean cloth, so it will be more safe. I'll be pouring a clean mineral water into the jugs to give it the radiation. And the maximum amount of water that can be placed in the jug is 3.5 liters. So I'll be placing the device on the jug, and to start resonance you have to on the device. So after 3 minutes, as you can see, the light will stop blinking and you can take out the magnet. And now you can pour the water into a bottle or a cup. This is our Terahertz brand water bottle. And this is how you'll store the device. As for the charger and the cable, you'll be keeping in the corner left, as you can see there. And the device is usually placed in a jug and placed inside the box. And also the device should not have any contact with the water, or else it will spoil. It has to be kept in a safe place. And this is how you close the stuff in it. And once you close the box, there will be a handle where you can hold and carry the box. And that's how you use the Terahertz healthy water device. Thank you.